Day 39 of the daily dollar cost average for Bitcoin. And there was a bit of a dump yesterday in Bitcoin. Actually, as you can see, it's down 5% right now, 5.18. So we'll just get right into it and do our conversion. So $333 from the stablecoin DAI over to Bitcoin. And there you have it. So we'll go check out the portfolio. Okay, so I have 0.2138% Bitcoin. Let's see what the alts are doing right now. This is just up marginally. Chainlink. Cosmos. It's up almost 6%. That's not bad. And Algorand, they had a good run there for a few days, but they're down 1.39%. Okay, so there you go. There's your holdings there. Anyway, so we'll go over to Bitcoin, YouTube. And again, you get this, correction yesterday. And look at the news. Okay, Bitcoin dip some more. What to do? India Reserve Bank moves to ban Bitcoin and crypto again. Why does it matter? I will sell all my Bitcoin if this happens. Raoul Paul, Michael Saylor, Bitcoin exit strategy, BTC. Bitcoin will crash if this happens. Why Bitcoin is falling? My game plan. Skip Bitcoin. Made 10K flipping non-fungible tokens kitties. Beginner NFT guide. Buying guide. So anyways, it's all negative. You get one, minor correction and everyone's telling you to jump ship, right? Okay, this guy is convinced to get out of Bitcoin and put everything in these non-fungible tokens just because it went down a couple of percent, right? And again, I can't emphasize this enough. This is why you dollar cost average, because as soon as you get emotional, you start going all over the place. You don't have a game plan. Soon as you buy into the hype, like this, get out of there and just buy something completely different. To learn all these non-fungible tokens. You want to talk about risky. You want to talk about uncharted waters, that stuff, right? Sure, he could have made 10 grand. Maybe he did. I don't know. I'm not saying he's making it up, but that's a lot to consume as far as knowledge, because that's a whole different realm altogether. Okay, Ethereum to crush Bitcoin, new upgrade changes everything. So this guy is apparently saying, Bitcoin's done because of Ethereum. And he's one of the biggest influencers out there. So Bitcoin warning, what they're not telling you about this dump. So again, it's all kind of negative sentiment. How high will Bitcoin go? Inside story. Is it smart for companies? So that's an older one. Yeah, Bitcoin, my concern for new investors. All this stuff, it's all kind of negative just because of, okay, here we go with this lunatic again. This is dangerous for Bitcoin right now, as predicted. So he knew it was coming. But if it goes up, watch, oh yeah, I knew that was coming too. So it's just, you know what I mean? You got to just take the stuff for what it is and just, move forward. Like I said, let volatility be your friend. Just roll, put your strategy together and stick to it. And like I said, that's why I do this daily dollar cost averaging. It's all about discipline. It's all about consistency. Stick to it, do it, and keep doing it. I'm not saying this is financial advice, but I'm just saying this is how I do it. Regardless of what these people say. And like I said, if anything, I'm looking for a crash. I hope it drops 30, 40%. Then I'll load up on it. But, you know, like it just, I've seen this all before in stock markets, futures markets, whatever. It's the same thing. The same types of people gravitate towards these things, and they get way too emotional. The least little jitter in the market, and these people lose their minds. And again, what you have to understand, that, you know, if you see, you have to make a decision what you think is a good investment. But once you do it, you just be consistent and you'll be fine. But go in a little at a time, but be consistent. That's how you do it. This, you know, again, this lunatic behavior is not going to get you anywhere. You know, freaking out every time there's a little jitter. And what kills me is a lot of these guys are always like, they try to come across as like hard ass, like they're so tough, and you know, it doesn't bother them. The least little shake in the market, and these guys are losing their mind. You know, you just have to stay cool. The cool heads prevail. It's always that way. I've seen it so many times. Like when I was working as a trader and whatnot, guys get way too emotional. It's not an emotional. Like if you want entertainment, go to an amusement park. You know, go on roller coasters and all that. It's, you know, the capital markets is not a form of entertainment. It's a place to make money, or for some people, a place to lose money. But if you can stay cool, you can make money, right? But anyways, I'm not even going to watch one of these videos because you know how it's going to go today. I'm just making this a short one today. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. And so yeah, again, this is day 39, and you know, we're still moving forward. And